You don't have to shake it again. Don't shake it yet. I will shake it when it's time.
근데 여기다가 이거 어떻게 해? 여기 가운데로 꽂으면 되겠네.
Oh.
이거는
Yeah, put the big one in the bottom. Make a base. Yes. Because we didn't have enough, so I bought new sticks. You guys have to make a base. You need to make a base for your building first.
What is base?
The bottom.
I make a tent. I can make a tent.
Don't tell them to make a tent. Let them make whatever building they want to make. Just tell them how to make it.
클레이로 만들어왔던 거?
This one is too heavy.
Not yet, Jen. Yes, use it for the bottom. If it's too heavy, use the big one for the bottom.
이건 있어.
Oh, that's a strong building!
I think this is a strong building.
Yeah!